Alright, so since the last video, I have painted the backing black. That's primed and painted. That is done. Well, as done as it's going to get. I did a leak test on the system. I found 2 leaks. One was at the pump, one was at the CPU water block, both at the fittings, and I know why that is. These copper fittings just need cleaned up a little bit more, and then once I clean that up, that'll take care of those leaks. So I've dismantled this as far as I need to dismantle it. I need to do some detail work, which I'll go over eventually on the backing here. But we are getting closer to finally getting ready to actually put this thing together for the last time, hopefully.